Okay, so me and Shy are being like total junkies right now. And we're going to show you what it's like to have a real burping contest.
Real?
Hang on. Okay, hang on. I can't get my phone in a good spot. Alright, might as well just go. Ooh, I have an idea. Sorry about this. No, hi. See this? I'm making a video off Shy's phone. See, we're both making videos.
Yeah. Cookies are yummy. Chocolate chip cookies.
Yeah.
Chips Ahoy.
Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookies. You want to see? Look. These are our cookies. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna have a burping contest. Alright, ready for this? Y'all ready for this? Okay. That was like the same.
My pop's all gone.
I win. Alright, you beat me at round 1, and round 2 we tied, and round 3 I won. So, it's a tie.
Woohoo!
I'll bet in my video, it's just our boobs burping.
Yeah.
Really? Us two? Wait. What's the LA sign? Camera shot. Our videos are so boring.
Yeah, that's what you get when you're hyper.
Our videos are so boring. Oh. Can you do this? I can. Can you do this? Let's see if I can do that one thing.
People are hyper, so bye.